Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. I hope you all are doing great, and in previous video I've explained how to draw a support and resistance, and today we will discuss how to draw a dynamic support and resistance. So if you haven't checked the previous video, please see link in the description. So dynamic support and resistance is also known as the trend lines. Okay, so how to draw a trend line? So before drawing a trend line, I'll explain you what is uptrend and a downtrend. So the stock moves in this fashion: up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So as you can see, I'll not make it complicated by using the term higher lows and higher highs. So I'll explain you in the simple term. So this was the it was at the down price and it went up then down, but this down is not less than the previous down, then up, then this down is not less than the previous down, then went up, then not than the previous down, then went up, not down than the previous down. Okay, so thing is it is moving up, but the down is not less than the previous downs. Okay, so downs are also getting increased. So this is known as the uptrend, where a stock is going in the higher price, but before going it gives you little pullbacks. Okay, but those pullbacks shouldn't be less than the previous pullbacks. Okay, these points are known as the pullbacks. This is the lower price before moving to the higher price. Okay, so this is the uptrend. Now what is the downtrend? In downtrend, stock is at high, then it come low, then high, then it comes low, then high, then low, then high, then more low, then high, then more low, then high, then more low. So from high it will go down, then little less high, then down, little less high, then down, little less high, then down. So high is also getting decreased and it is going down. So this is the downtrend. It is not a perfect one drawn, but you got the idea, right? So this is the Dow India chart. So how to draw the trend line? What you have to do, you have to choose the trend line tool from this, okay, and take the lowest swing. So as you can see this, and draw like this. Okay, so this is clearly in the uptrend, right? So sometimes people say to match week to week. Okay, so if you just match what is wick and body of the candle, if I've explained my previous video, if you haven't checked it, please check, it will help you. Okay, so if you match week to week, it will not match that much points, right? But if you match body to body, it is going to match most of the points. So here it is matching this, here this, here this, and here also it tried to match. So there is no perfect way of it. In different stocks there is different way you have to do it. Sometimes you will match body to body, sometimes you will match week to week, depends whatever suits you. So as you can see, if I draw here, most of the bodies are getting touched to the trend line, right? So that completely depends what you choose, and it differs from stock to stock, and you have to improvise for that particular stock. So as you can see, the stock is in the uptrend. So how you going to take this? What you will do, as you can see, the price is going up, but it is taking support in this trend line. So if we just move it like this, okay, consider the stock is at this price only. How I did it and that action I'll explain in the upcoming video. So just focus in that this is the uptrend. Okay, this is the uptrend and we have drawn an uptrend line. So how to take trade in this trend line? So the stock is going up and then coming down. So it has taken support here, right? Just like support and resistance. and then it went up. It tried to came down, then again it went up, and then again it came and took support here, and then again it went up, right? So we know that this stock is taking support at this trend line, right? So we had this confirmation, so what we will do, we'll wait for the next time when the stock start falling. Then what we will do, we will wait till to this stock to come over here in this trend line, and then we'll see whether it is going up or not. So we have one confirmation, two confirmation, and this is a third confirmation, and the fourth confirmation is that when it went down and taken support in this trend line, there is a green candle. So after this green candle, so green candle means the stock will go up, right? It is also not big green candle, it is kind of good green candle, and stock will go up because it has taken support in the previous days, right, in the trend line. So we'll take the entry here and we'll book the profit. How much profit? Till this much, you can say, right? So again it went down and taken support over here. So the one way is to take the entry when the stock is coming down at the trend line. So that is how the uptrend line helps you in taking the entry. So now we'll see the downtrend line. Let me see if I can show you a downtrend line. Downtrend line. Downtrend line. I think this one will work. Let me go to some other stock, which is, let's suppose we go to Yes Bank. Yes. So as you can see, this is a perfect example of downtrend and also the uptrend. So in uptrend, what we did, we took the lowest swing and tried to match most of the points. Okay, so this was in the uptrend, right? If you want to match most of the points, then slightly move it over here. So it went up, went down, went up, went down, went up, went down. So entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, entry 4, entry 5, right? So there were so many entries in this uptrend. Like it was going up, it went down this trend line, then it was going up, then it went down to this trend line, then again went up, then again went down. So there were so many entries, right? Now for the downtrend, what we can do, so in the uptrend we match the lower points, in the downtrend we do the opposite, we match the upper points. So how you do it, take the upper swing and try to match as many as points you can, right? So started falling, then it tried to went up, then again started falling, then it took support in this trend line, and again it started falling, right? So here it has taken the support, and again here it has taken the support. So if you have did selling at this point and buy at the lower price, then you might have made the profit in the downfall also. We'll see the other example of downtrend. Let's suppose we'll go in the lower time frame. So a downtrend. I think this can be taken as the example of the downtrend. So what we can do, we can try to match as many points as we can. So yes, the stock started falling. Okay, we can, I think, match. Yeah, so this is a downtrend. As you can see, it started falling, then it took support here, and then again it fall, then again it took support here, and again it fall, then again took support somewhere around here, then again support. So we had many entries, like one over here, one over here, one over here, one over here. So what we would have done, like, let's suppose it is taking support at this line, then again it took somewhere around support at this line. So we'll wait for the third time. Okay, if it comes on the third time, we'll sell over here. So if we have sold over here, we would have made very nice profit, right? Again it took the support here, and if we have sold over here, again we would have made very nice profit, right? So this is how our downtrend line is drawn and how the trading is done. Okay, so see, trend line cannot be drawn so perfectly, like every point is going to match. You have to make some adjustment for every trend line you are going to draw. So this is how uptrend or downtrend trend lines are made, and this is how it works. And yes, so in the upcoming videos I'll be making more and more videos on the basics, how to do trading and using this TradingView awesome platform. So please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Until then, enjoy this beautiful beach scene after the video. Thank you, bye bye, take care.